how to turn on, or how can everyone do it with your videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your TikTok account and open it. And as everyone know that when you open TikTok, it will open automatically on your uh, on home. You will just go here now to your profile like this, and then when you open your profile guys, you will just go here to this three line, then open it, and then when you open your profile you will go to settings and privacy, and then when you open settings and privacy you will just go to privacy here, and then you will just go to Duet here and click, then you will choose everyone here, and that's it. If you choose everyone, so everyone can do it with your videos. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So see you next.